So you remember that time that you decided to go ahead and install that piece of software without doing your backup, and afterwards you went, what the crap did I just do? Well, that's the same concept here. We're going to go through in this module of installing and configuring your Windows Server virtual machines so that you can use these as targets in your practice without affecting production environment machines. Now, this is going to be pretty simplistic step-by-step of how to install your Server 2008 R2 and 2012 R2 boxes. We'll go through and show you how to install the OSs. After we install the operating systems, we'll want to go through and then make sure that we configure some services a specific way. And these may not be the exact way that you would have your services run in the production environment, but our goal here isn't necessarily to lock down these machines. It's to see what are the possibilities that an attacker can do and see on your network. So we're going to go through and configure. In some cases, we're going to enable and disable certain features. Again, some of those features you may or may not have turned on or off. Or, one of the main things we're going to do is go and turn off the Windows firewall. And I know that's kind of interesting to think about, but typically when we talk about turning off a firewall, that's a bad thing. But yet it's really strange. No matter where I go, it seems like everybody turns this bad boy off. We're going to make sure it's turned off so, again, we can able to connect easily into these machines. And then we're going to go through and create user accounts. And those user accounts we'll create on every single machine that we create for our lab environment. So let's get going.